Okay, this is the sticker box and this thing is going viral right now. Let me show you why. Robot chicken. How cool is that? I love it so much. Something I did want to add before we go any farther. If we get to the end of this video and you want to pick one up, I got you $10 off. Link in the description below. Okay, the sticker box. Here's the concept. It's a small physical device, obviously. You don't need a cell phone, a tablet. There's no app to babysit. A kid or adult presses the button, speaks an idea out loud like I just did, and then the box prints a custom sticker. Say it, print it, peel it, color it, optional, of course, and then stick it anywhere. That's the whole loop. Simple. Now, here's what I assumed going into this. I figured this was just another AI toy that looks really good in promo, but falls apart in real use. Slow prints, weird results, but I can genuinely say that is not what happened. The prints, as you just saw, come out very fast, and the AI actually interprets what kids say. Not just literally, but creatively. Like, watch this. I'll give you another example. And I have not tried this one yet. No idea what's gonna come out. A dinosaur eating a birthday cake in space. I mean, come on. How cool is that? Nailed it. And here's what sets this apart from everything else out there. The printing is thermal. No ink cartridges, no mess, no refills that cost more than the actual product itself. The paper rolls are $6. And because everything prints in black and white, kids can color in the stickers themselves. So creativity doesn't stop when it comes out of the box. It starts there. I probably won't use that. There's also magnetic paper rolls. Same process, speak it, print it, but they're magnetic. The sticker can go on the fridge or anything metal. Okay, but biggest question I've been getting, and the biggest question I had, if this is made for kids and we're using AI, is this really safe? Then the answer is yes. There's several reasons that I'll point out, but the first one is I tested it. I said some terrible things into this box. It wouldn't print them. Don't judge me. After doing more research, I found that the box only listens when the button is being pressed. It's not sitting there with an open mic like our cell phones. It doesn't store voice data, and it does not share it. There are built-in content filters. Watch. There you go. It's COPA compliant and KidSafe certified. That's not just marketing, those are actual third-party certifications. And a few more things to know before you buy. 1, this does require Wi-Fi to generate stickers. 2, it runs on a power adapter, AKA it needs to be plugged in. So this has to live on a desk or a table, not in a backpack. And 3, and I already showed you this, but when it comes to new rolls of paper, it has to be Stickerbox official. Other thermal paper will damage it and void your warranty. I have one more thing I want to mention, but before I do, I loved learning that you can even ask it to generate famous people, icons, sports stars. Albert Einstein eating spaghetti. It doesn't get old. But if it did happen to get old for your kids, lower attention spans. One more thing worth checking out on their website, they have an activities tab. I'll pull it up right here. It's basically a free resource of creative ideas and additional prompts to help kids get more out of the device. So if the novelty of just saying random things kind of wears off, there's some really fun, new, fresh ways to use this. A little more practical, task-driven, games, invite letters, calendars, things like that. I wanted to make sure to add this page because I really liked it. I thought it was brilliant. Last big thing I'll say, and this truly I probably should have put at the beginning of the video, what gives this thing more credibility than anything else I've said, the co-founder, Bob Whitney, previously worked at Anthropic. And if you know anything about AI or Anthropic, they're one of the AI companies that is leading in AI safety right now. They're the ones kind of ringing the bell, raising the flag, however you want to say it, making sure that AI is safer. These aren't toy company people guessing at AI, they're AI people maybe guessing at a toy company. And I don't think they guessed, I think they nailed it. So that backstory helps explain why the safety architecture actually feels very thought through, not just bolted on as an afterthought. So final verdict, If you're shopping for kids between 4 to 10 or 3 to 33, there's not really an age range for this, in my opinion. This is a strong pick. Don't forget, in the description below, I got you that $10 off. And let's be honest, we could all use $10 off. The world's expensive right now. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you know a bit more about the sticker box, how it works. And now I'm gonna make you one final sticker to say goodbye. A cute little turtle waving goodbye. That is a cute turtle. Until next time, see you later.